Hi friends, some of you are still confused as to how to locate our group chat if you don't see it right away on your Chromebook. It's very simple. You have to go to your apps. So you're on your Google homepage, you go to your apps. You scroll down and you find your chat. Okay, you're going to click on that. Then your chat page is going to open. It will look something like this. Okay, you can kind of see who you've been chatting with if you have people that are kind of highlighted. Okay, like Abby right now is highlighted. And then you see a green dot. That means they're on. This one means you have a new notification. Our group chat, it's not going to say class chat. It's going to be the one that has all of these names on it, where it starts with Aaron, because that is our it goes alphabetical by first name. So you click on that, click on it. This is our group chat. You will be able to tell because if you see up on the top here, you see all our names. If you scroll or hit this like downward triangle, okay, you can view our members, and these are all the members of our class. You are not allowed to add any other people to this chat. If I notice that you added other people, you will be talked to and I may remove you from our class chat. So please do not add anyone else, but this is our group chat. That is how you access it. So one more time, you're going to be on your Google home screen. You're going to click on your apps. Go to Google Chat. Okay, and our Google Chat is the one where it has all of our names. All right, there you go. This will be posted on our Google Meets Expectations tab.